So I think we're gonna go dumpster diving today. It's a rainy day. Looks like a bunch of wire too. That's pretty cool. All right, well, we'll see what we get. It is definitely raining pretty good, but you got to get the scrap when it's there. So, or as Gabby would say, before it's gone. Let's take a quick look. Oh man, look at all that wire. And this is all aluminum sheath too. It looks like they replaced all the lights in this building. Awesome. All right, we've got an empty truck. We're gonna see what we get on. I'll put the wire on first. Let's see where I can put you guys. All right. So this was all the cased aluminum wire and then the strippable wire over there. I'm going to start throwing on all the, I guess, the light boxes. There's a bunch of good wire in the bottom here too, so we'll see how the load goes. It's definitely a good find for a rainy day. The rain keeps on. Trying to think what I could use this sheet for of tin. Alright, I'm going to put you guys back on time lapse. So, I did get some of this, the ballast is loaded up. There's a bunch of wire right in here. It's all good strippable stuff. Holy cow, there's some copper. Awesome. Awesome. Finding a little bit of everything in here. More copper. I don't know if there's any more of this black pipe. Oh, right there. It's all copper. Play with that at home. It is not warm out and raining really decent. Definitely can feel the cold today. But it's definitely a good wire slash now copper score. Feeling like feeling pretty lucky. Definitely will help with my stripping total when I go do my stripping challenge. It's definitely going to be definitely a lot of stuff. Got a couple more ballasts over there. And the nice thing is all this is aluminum, even if there's no, most of it has wire in it, so Ethernet cable. I get $1 a pound for this still, or maybe 80 cents a pound. I don't know why they pay so much more for the internet cable. I think it's because it's easier copper. They're able to reclaim the copper a little easier. Alright, I'm gonna get you guys out of the ring. So, I had to find these tongs. I normally have a pair of grabbers for dumpster diving to grab that piece of copper that's down here. So, see if it works. Works pretty good. There's one more piece. Oh, so they cleaned out a bathroom, it looks like. That's a hot and cold. And there's some cable too. So, alright, I'll get that. So, I guess I'll show you the different wire real fast. So all this is, let's see if there's an easier way to look at it. All this sheathing has 3 good strippable wire in it. It's Romex, I think is what it's called. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a contractor. I'm just a scrapper. But it's all aluminum sheath with a good 3 pieces of strippable wire in it. The other stuff that's in that dumpster is a bunch of this internet and phone cable, but I get a premium for it. Not 100% sure why. They pay, last time I scrapped it out, I got $1 a pound for the Cat 5 and stuff. And then I got a bunch of just the regular, I call it number 1 wire, but it's also my favorite to strip. Strips pretty easy with the machine, but definitely for a rainy day, this is you know, no flea market Saturday. It's definitely a lucky thing. So definitely happy that I'm out here in the rain, but we'll see how we do at the scrapyard. I'm gonna cut this wire off and see you guys over there. Definitely have a couple more things to put on. I'm trying to get like 50 or 60 bucks for the scrapyard, plus all that wire. So I think that's how it always works. It's kind of stopped, you know, raining really hard. I found all these covers on this are all aluminum, so I guess at the scrapyard we'll take those all apart and get paid for the aluminum too. Definitely a worthwhile dumpster though. I think I'm gonna go run to the scrapyard. I have a mediocre load on right now, and come back and get some of this big stuff if it's still here. But scrap's one of those things, if you don't get it when it's there, it tends to leave. That's why I'm doing it in the rain. So at scrapyard, it's busy today. We're gonna unload this real fast. Well, we'll see what we got. There wasn't that much stuff. Battery kind of died. I'd say less than 40 bucks, but I'll find out in a second. So I guess it was worth it because I got all this wire and stuff, but I didn't have that much steel. I got a bunch of aluminum, a bunch of wire, but this is what we got paid in the light iron. $33 They're still, oh wow, they dropped another 50 cents. $6.25 a hundred. So that's pretty sad. At least I got all the wire though. So, all right, we'll catch everybody at the next video. I definitely had fun today, so even though I did get a little wet, this yard's super busy. We got to get out of here. All right, everybody. If you haven't yet, leave us a message or something and say hi. Everybody have a good day. Peace. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like an end of the day rainbow for, I guess it was for Scrappin in the rain. They wanted to show us something pretty. It's like almost pink. It's really really different. So I guess that means we'll have good luck shopping tomorrow. It's supposed to be windy. I'm not gonna set up. So all right, just wanted you guys to see that. Definitely really cool. The sun's actually setting over there. Definitely pretty interesting. Oh, it's about gone.
Yes, I got this stuff.
All right.